Hello everyone. So myself Raghav Jagga, a fifth year law student from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, pursuing BCom LLB in Taxation Laws. So nowadays I'm doing an internship under Lexis and Company. So today for our topic is men's right in divorce. So let us discuss this topic in brief. Let's start. So in today's world, today's society, both the men and women are treated equally, and both shares a responsibility of providing a maintenance to other spouse after the divorce. Both have an equal right to file and petition. So the law of alimony and maintenance is different from different reason to reasons. So under a Hindu Marriage Act 1955, both the husband and wife are legally entitled to claim alimony and maintenance from each other. So if you are married under a Special Marriage Act 1954, only the wife is entitled to claim a compensation. If a woman in India is abused, tortured, threatened, and to claim a compensation. If a woman is India is abused, mutilated, the house can make claim a maintenance from their husband. So let us discuss what are the rights of the men in the divorce. So the husband has a right to file and petition with or without the consent and mutual consent of their wife. For the grounds for the filing remain the same, as that the wife can claim for a divorce petition. So these include acurity, dissertation, conversations, adultery, disease, remuneration, and presumption of the deaths. So before filing the divorce petition, men need to keep a few things in mind to ensure a favorability responsible by a court. So they should ensure a cordial relationship, which should exert a physical, verbal, or a sexual abuse. Even if it found it difficult to stay with his spouse in a same roof, it is advisable to do so to avoid additional expenses of a second houses. Okay, so there is some other responsibilities which what should done and what should a husband can do with to claim a maintenance of their maintenance for the child or their child custody, and there are so many things which will be discussed in today's lecture. So let us discuss the most and important aspect of the divorce, which is a custody of a children. So after the divorce, both the husband and a wife wants the custody of their child in his favor. Okay, but mostly cases the custody should be given to a mother. However, you can plea before a court for a joint custody. During the joint custody, both the parents can get a legal custody, but only one should have physical custody of their child without the another. So in this case, it is a rights and responsibility and authority of both the husband and wife to keep situations that, for example, if a husband and wife can claim a custody with a joint custody. So in this case, they can set that for 6 months the wife should take custody of a child. After 6 months, the husband. So this type of things should be done within a session. So another and most important, which is a alimony. Alimony plays a very important role in the divorce or after living in a society or standard or their child educations and so many situations. So yes, so in this case, husband should claim a alimony from their wife. Alimony basically means a maintenance which a husband should take from their wife. So it is also not play a very special role. So this is a petition which is filed by a husband. Okay, the husband can also file a divorce petition on the ground of a mental state purity done by a wife. In various cases, the court should have a reasonable grounds can provide a divorce on the spot. So let us discuss with an example. For example, if there is a husband and a wife, so in this case, if a husband is in a mental state and their wife is mentally doing a mental torture on their husband, so in this case, a husband want a divorce from their wife, then he can file a complaint, file a petition in the court for the divorce and for the alimony also. So in this case, the court can grant a relief and provide further information regarding the divorce. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have understand and understood each and everything. If you have any doubt regarding anything, please feel free to comment on a comment box. Thank you.